Bluetooth RX connected to the digital 3, digital 2 connected to the TX of Bluetooth, and Arduino 12 is connected to a relay. Now there is if solar code, it may be not seen by computer screen or other way to maybe a video first. Include sheer software for that actually library for serious communication because Arduino have own TX, which I not use here because if accidentally upload that is possible. We upload a code of Arduino and Arduino we see Arduino communicate with Arduino on RxTX. That's it will kill the Arduino. So I made a few software library used to separately use digital 3 or 2 or 3 as a external serial communication line. Int Bluetooth TX, Int Bluetooth RX23. Shear software Bluetooth TX, Bluetooth RX. Wide setup 9066 model for serial communication between computer to the system, and Bluetooth within 11,200 is a optimization rate between Bluetooth and Arduino. Bluetooth print, if any value that is by Bluetooth, it will print delay 100 milliseconds. Print Bluetooth print value Bluetooth communication rate 9066. Pin mode 13 is output in my 12 pin number 12 is not working. I use pin number 13, so I fault it accidentally. Relay pin is not pin 13, and initially relay goes I 13 pin goes I, so relay is turn off. And in the loop section, if Bluetooth is available, it will send chat to send tractor Bluetooth read. So it will send the tractor by phone and it will read. And if coming value is A, it will relay 13 pin low, meaning relay on. And also same by pin the serial pin monitor relay on. And if to send B digital byte I 13I, meaning relay low, relay turn off, serial pin relay off. If serial